My name is Lidan Satyam Gujal. Today I am going to make a lemon juice. Take a water, 1 glass water and half lemon and solid pepper and 2 tablespoons and sugar and pinch or salt and mix it properly. My juice is ready. Yummy and tasty. Thank you.
My name is Dinamna Patil. Today I am going to make jam butter sandwich. Things I need: 2 500 jam butter, 1 spoon. Now let's start. Take the 1 slice bread. Strain the jam with the spoon. Take the anodized bread. Strain the butter on it. Strain the butter slice on the jam slice. Take the 4 pieces. Jam butter sandwich ready. Good morning. My name is Sangamitra Bhaduri. Today I will make jam butter sandwich. Things we need: 2 slices of bread, jam, butter, spoon, knife. Let's start. Take a 1 slice of bread. Spread the jam. Now take another slice of bread and spread the butter. Now the butter slice on the bread slice. Now cut the sandwich in 4 pieces. Now our tasty sandwich is ready. Now let's eat it. Good morning, friends. My name is Sonika. I am going to make jam butter sandwich. Things I will need: slice of bread, jam, butter, spoon, and butter knife. Let's make. Take 1 slice of bread, take a jam, and spread evenly with a spoon. Take another slice of bread and take a butter and spread evenly with a butter knife. Now take a butter slice and place the jam slice and cut it into 4 pieces. Ready jam butter sandwich is ready. Thank you. Enjoy it. Morning, friends. My name is Pruha Praveen Shogun. Today I am going to make lemonade. So I will need 1 glass of water, half lemon, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and last pinch of salt and spoon. So let's get started. Take 1 glass of water, squeeze half lemon, and add 2 tablespoons of sugar and pinch of salt. Stir well with the spoon until the sugar dissolves in water. Wow! This lemonade is ready. It's tasty and tasty. Thank you. Hello friends, my name is Arnit Nitin Jagta. Today I am going to make a lemonade. So I will need 1 glass of water, half lemon, 2 tablespoons of sugar, pinch of salt to taste, and a spoon. Now let's get started. Take a 1 glass of water, squeeze half lemon into it. 2 tablespoons of sugar and last pinch of salt. Now stir it well with a spoon until the sugar dissolves in water. Wow! Lemonade is ready. It's tangy and tasty. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Mocha. Today we are going to make lemons. So I need 1 glass of water, half lemon.